Right, there's a breaking update coming in, and amid the cash at a judge's house controversy, the centre has notified Justice Verma's transfer from Delhi to Allahabad High Court. This is an update just coming in, and I'm joined by my colleague Nupur Dogra for more on this. Nupur. Go ahead.
Well, yes, in a very big development today, in fact, the transfer that was recommended by the Supreme Court Collegium, now Justice Yashwant Verma has in fact been transferred with the assent of the President of India, and the press release has in fact directed Justice Yashwant Verma to resume charge immediately with immediate effect from Allahabad High Court. This is in fact a very big development, as this comes after yesterday Bar Association from Allahabad High Court in fact visited the Supreme Court, kept their demands in front of the Collegium and asked the Supreme Court Collegium to take back the transfer recommendation. But now today, in a very big development, the centre has approved the transfer while an inquiry is pending here in Delhi against Justice Yashwant Verma.
Just for our understanding and also to refresh our memory, if you can just also tell us that earlier as well, the Supreme Court Collegium, which had taken that decision of transferring him back to Allahabad High Court, had in a way said that this has got nothing to do with the inquiry or the fact that burnt notes had been found in his house. And despite the meeting with the Bar Association members, of course, yesterday, we can see that they have gone through with the decision to transfer him to Allahabad High Court.
Well, yes, of course, the Supreme Court had in fact made this recommendation. In fact, this week only on Monday, in fact, the Supreme Court had in fact recommended it and had said that after having two consecutive meetings on considering whether he should be transferred or not, the Collegium has collectively decided to transfer Justice Yashwant Verma back to Allahabad High Court. Now, after they have made this recommendation, now the ball was, of course, in centre's area. Now, the President has, by giving his assent to this recommendation, has now given its effect, and now he will have to be transferred to Allahabad High Court. He will have to resume charge as the press release has directed him to do. So, for now, the Supreme Court could not have done much rather than just recalling it. The only option the Supreme Court could have in this would have been recalling the recommendation, which is not generally resorted to.
Right.
But before anything could be done, now Centre has already approved this Collegium recommendation. So now his transfer will in fact come into effect, and he will be asked to take charge in Allahabad High Court.
All right, Nupur there, thank you so much for joining us.